Hey guys, welcome back to Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm at Five Below, and I noticed in the back they had a strawberry shortcake section, and I thought it was so cute. And they had a Rainbow Bright section. They have this Easter Rainbow Bright. They have strawberry shortcake slime, snow globe. They also have blind bags and notebooks. I do have some of the strawberry shortcake blind bags, but I might pick up some Rainbow Bright ones. And the Smurf keychain is super cute. They also have strawberry shortcake. They have all these cute candles, including boba candles and spring scented candles. They have all these cute pillows. And I spotted a strawberry shortcake one. So cute, and it's only $5. At Five Below, I like to usually get the blind bags. I like to look at the t-shirts. And it's a good place to go, like, for gift shopping, because it's a good price. But if you come here at Christmas, it's so crowded. The phone cases are cute too. But I'm really picky about my phone cases, and I get all my phone cases at Velvet Caviar. Here are the flip-flops. Super cute. And I think I'm going to pick these socks up for my nephew. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.